Right, so I've got a bit of a simulation here. We got to do a half crossover going onto that pipe because we're going to have a T connection there. Let me show you how to create this half crossover with the monument pipe benders.
Just a reminder that this tutorial is based on you using Ecco clips. It's not a tutorial for Talon clips, because when you use Talon clips, the spacing between the pipes are different. But I will be doing a tutorial for the Talon clips in the future.
So to start off with, we're going to measure more or less the centers of these pipes, which is about 60 mil. And you're going to mark your 60 mil on there. Now that's where we want the crossover to start. So that should literally be there. Because that's such a small distance, allow yourself a bit more, because you can cut that off afterwards. And you are going to bend a 60-degree bend, which is between those two lines there. So there's your 60. And then you're going to flip that over, line it up nicely, nice and straight like that. And then you're going to bend a 30-degree. There you go, that's your 30-degree. And that's your half crossover done, but we still got to trim this section down because obviously that's too far over. You can line up your pipe more or less like that. Mark where you're going to cut your half crossover. Just there. That can now go into your clips, and then we can cut this pipe, place our T, just adjust the T, there you go, there's your half crossover done, nice and center to your pipe there. Now there's no point coming any lower than that, because if you need to put any lagging in there, you got enough space there for lagging to go over, and that's why you don't bring it too tight to this pipe. So your first bend was at 60, and then your second bend at 30, and that gives you that half crossover nice and neatly. And if for any reason you actually need to go underneath this pipe, it works out the same. You can still get your pipe underneath there, even though you will have a problem with lagging on there. But we do get the odd situation where you cannot get your pipe over this pipe and you need to go underneath it. So this half crossover also works if you're doing pipes in floorboards, and your half crossover can go underneath that pipe onto there. I hope you enjoyed this little pipe bending tutorial, and if you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, because I'll be putting some more videos out.